Hi. This deck of cards was compiled to facilitate working through the MCAT style passage, navigating these stages of sleep. Okay? And it deals with the biological foundations of behavior. All right. N blank sleep is sometimes thought of as relaxed wakefulness, and the EEG activity resembles that of a very relaxed person. So, which stage of sleep is this? And for those of you who don't know, an EEG is an electroencephalogram, and it's just a graph of brainwave activity recorded on a computer, and then the output is like, squiggly lines that people often associate with being in a hospital. So what's the answer? All right, that would be the N1 stage of sleep. And the EEG that you see right here represents the N1 stage of sleep, and we spend 4 to 5% of our time in this type of sleep. It's also known as light sleep. Okay, so you can be awakened from it relatively easily than the other stages. Sleep spindles are characteristic of the N blank stage of sleep. So which stage of sleep shows sleep spindles in the EEG? And if you don't know what a sleep spindle looks like, I encourage you to look it up. Don't get too deep into it because you still have tons of other material to review, but you just want to know what it looks like, okay? That would be N2, the N2 stage of sleep. And right here, it's like there's a sleep spindle. It's something that kind of spikes up and then goes down. But here, let me show you. So it kind of looks like this. Pretend this is like 0 point. It goes up, down, and back up again like that. So that's a sleep spindle. I know that kind of looks like all of them, but trust me, this is definitely a notable shape, at least to doctors who are familiar with an EEG or telemetry technicians, whoever reads this stuff. Somnambulism occurs during deep sleep, stage and blank. So somnambulism is the formal name for sleepwalking, and deep sleep. So deep sleep is what stage of sleep? That would be the N3 stage of sleep. So the N3 stage of sleep, right? Okay, and this dude right here is just all up in his somnambulism. I fuzz that word up sometimes. Sorry. The order of sleep stages is N1 to N2 to N3 to N blank, and then to REM, rapid eye movement. So what stage comes before REM? And be careful on this one. That would be N2 again. And here you can see, compared to the other stages, you spend most of your time in N2, 45 to 55%. That's because you cycle through it once up till stage 3. This stage 4 is really, it's not really stage 2. It's just prior to REM. But you go back to this before entering REM, okay? N blank to N blank is referred to as synchronous sleep stages. So what stages of sleep are referred to as the synchronous sleep stages. All right, let's find out. That would be the N1 to N3 stages of sleep, okay? So this stage 2, as well as stage 3, these are all referred to as synchronous sleep stages. Okay,